that people should, this system should be having MCB and ERCB. So are you
Okay.
familiar? You have ERCB and MCB in this package?
This is for the H2S analyzer. No, see, actually, what we are trying to do is we are trying to utilize the existing feeders, spare feeders for providing power, and whatever is provided in the existing philosophy, we are following that right now. If you want me to further discuss it, then this is about the H2S analyzer package.
Ramesh,
Yeah.
we understand since we are using existing, so ELCB should already be given the
let me.
review.
Yeah, I believe so, but let me check it once, and then let you know. Yeah.
Okay, if you can check it quickly, please.
Yeah, right now. Don't worry, please.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you can go ahead. I will
Guys,
check and let you know. Yeah.
yes, sure, Ramesh. We are waiting for you. No problem. Take your own time. Don't worry. Take your time and let us come back. So, guys, by the time Ramesh comes back to us, let us review the recommendation. Rakesh, the first recommendation is considered to provide the toxic gas detector coverage to the proposed dew point and H2S analyzer package. Second, we have taken review the safe distance between the proposed dew point and H2S analyzer package and the existing PR. And third, we are saying the HAZID shall be conducted considering the final analyzer type. And fourth, we are saying that prepare the SOP for grab sample collection and essential PP is required during the sample collection. Update the scope of work for the APC conductor. And number 5 is review the flare header pressure to avoid the back pressure to the proposed analyzer skid for better reading, better analyzing and reading is correct.
MJ, is this a recommendation of PHA? This is already considered and you have requested the header pressure which you obtained, I guess.
Review the options to take the tapping from the dew point and analyzer from the main header. Yes, sir. So these are the 6 recommendations.